From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it looks like we're setting up for our next weather maker early Friday, but the weekend we should straighten it out, but it's going to feel like mid-winter this weekend, colder than we've just experienced, even though we got a little bit of a warm up ahead of that next weather maker. That one is out in the west. We're being dominated by this ridge of high pressure down in the Gulf of Mexico, but that's going to be moving off to the east. And you can see that weather system in the west producing rain, snow at elevation, more winter weather advisories, and flood watches and warnings across Arizona. So this one's going to have plenty of juice as well as it moves eastward, with severe weather busting out more than likely in Texas. So let's take a look at this and bring in the 3D modeling here. So we have your true view sky right here, and then the actual model data back here, and it is synced perfectly. So you can see how things are going to go. First thing tomorrow morning, we're going to see partly cloudy skies, temperatures in the low to mid 50s. And then as we head throughout the day, the wind is going to pick up, and we'll notice that the gusts getting up to 25, perhaps 30 miles an hour tomorrow afternoon, back into the mid to upper 70s. And then here comes the showers and storms, and you'll see those getting close to the area as we head into tomorrow night. Rain, thunder, lightning again with this frontal system. We'll have to be on the lookout for the possibility of damaging winds, and then you can see how those showers and storms move across the area during the course of the day, and then that activity pushes off to the east, and that front gets off to the southeast, lingering showers into Friday afternoon. But look at this. We'll start out in the lower 70s Friday morning, and then maybe be in the 40s or lower 50s into the afternoon hours. So a winter chill is going to come back and stay with us into the weekend. So let's get it over to the Key Wall, show you that severe weather threat as we head into tomorrow. Thank you. It's going to be across much of Texas, and an enhanced risk in northeast Texas, where they're looking for the possibility of up to 2-inch hail on top of the threat of damaging winds and perhaps isolated tornadoes. This severe weather threat does edge all the way into Acadiana. This is through 7 a.m. Friday, so we're hatched in before daybreak. A marginal risk of storms that could produce damaging winds. That's going to be the primary threat. Again, not a high threat of severe weather, but sometimes these low-end risks surprise us. And then we move into Friday morning for at least Acadiana, still in a marginal risk area here, and a slight risk, a level 2 out of 5 for portions of St. Mary, Lower St. Martin Parish, and the eastern parishes of Louisiana through the midday hours, I would say. And then you get into Mississippi and Alabama. That's going to be during the afternoon hours on Friday. And for the first time since mid-February, a good soaking on the way. Right now, models are between 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. This is the European model, which looks pretty good, and it's kind of hitting Cenla and the northern portions of Acadiana with the highest rain totals. And we bring in the latest high-resolution graph model, and we're between 1 and 2 pretty much along and north of the I-10 corridor, maybe lesser amounts as you go farther south and east. But the bottom line, good soaking. We need it. We need to wash the pollen out of the air and off of the trees and get them down the drains. But that pollen will continue beyond what we see this rainfall this coming Friday. So winds picking up. That's going to be the story in the near term tomorrow. Southerly winds increasing 20 to 25 mile an hour gusts. There'll be a few gusts to 30 as we head into overnight tomorrow night. And then with the frontal system, we'll see some gusts in the 30 mile per hour range out ahead of it, and then also behind the front as well. So it's going to be a little blustery, especially with that colder air pouring in. So you're going to have to bring dress for 2 seasons on Friday, spring in the morning and winter in the afternoon. And that's going to carry into the weekend as well. So temperatures tonight, low to mid 50s, upper 40s in some spots. And then as we head into tomorrow afternoon, mid to upper 70s, you see those winds gusting to 27, just a snapshot at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then here comes the cooler air. Temperatures drop down upper 60s to lower 70s, and then fall off the table heading into the 50s, and then eventually into the 40s for Friday night, with wind chills by Saturday morning in the 30s. So we're not done with winter quite yet. 53 the low tonight, seasonably cool overall, but not as chilly. Generally fair skies, but some clouds moving in by daybreak tomorrow. Partly to mostly cloudy, warmer tomorrow. It gets breezy, especially in the afternoon. You'll see the winds picking up during the course of the afternoon. We'll go 76 the high with a few gusts to 30 tomorrow afternoon. Rain chance at 100%. It's not going to last all day. Mainly morning, tapering during the afternoon, 1 to 2 inches of rain. And then we head into the weekend. Dreary weekend. Cloudy skies as we head toward the spring equinox. Highs only in the 50s and lows upper 30s to lower 40s. Gradual warm up mid to late next week before the next front arrives toward the end of next week. That's it for weather for now. We're going to have more coming up right after the break.